Oh, what in the hell am I streaming? Uh, oh shit, I'm live streaming. Okay, how do I copy link, guys? Copy link me. How I copy link? Got it. Just need to copy the link. There's no sound though. Oh, wait. Testing. Oh, what in the hell? Copied. Okay. Let's do it. Live. So if you were to click on this, okay. Damn. Alright, gents. I'm gonna quickly send through these links to the other guys. It is on YouTube, but this is something new. So I've been streaming um, on Zoom, but on YouTube it's automatically recorded and uploaded. So I like that a lot. Just going to the other groups and just sending it through so that other people can join. What's not through? Okay, we moving now. We moving. Ay, let's get it. Okay, I'm already in a trade though, and it is on GBB CAD. Let me just quickly post this. Excuse me. Okay, so we can actually start now. Capture of webcam. Can you please record? Oh, no, we don't have to do it. Okay, cool. So I already entered GBP CAD, right? So if you go here on the 4 hour, you can see price came back to this little support zone here. Let me just check a line, right? The support zone here. Now I went on to the 1 hour. As you can see, for the 50 moving average is down here, right? Now, if you take out your FIB levels, alright, check it, it might already made a FIB retracement into this zone here. It hit the 50, almost at the 0.618, but that 50 moving average just gave it that extra support. So now we're like, okay, cool, now we're going long. Of course, we have enough confidence and enough support. So now we'll be waiting for price to make that move to the upside. We have a lot of traffic to the upside, to be honest. So yeah, we'll just closely monitor this trade. Maybe set a alert here or here once price comes here, and then I'll probably take 50% profit right here. Okay, so this will be TP1. Okay, when price comes here, I will take 50% of my position and then put the rest to break even, just to manage that the rest of the upside, because we have this choppy market movement to the left, right? Okay, so I'm gonna quickly make uh, and then we can go to AUD. So this was just uh, the trade I'm testing. I did not take this trade, so yeah, we'll see what happens. Sometimes I just mark trades and then see how they go, and it gives me more of a background to my trading style and how I can improve on certain trades. GPUSD is starting to move to the downside, and I might just make an impulse entry right here. Let me quickly check this. So until where is going to go, that's what you have to ask yourself. Where is price going to find support? Is it down here? I will just go on the 15 minute. See, it can find support here and it can find support here. So there's going to be a lot of lines, but there's all the possible points GBUSD can bounce from, right? So if we were to say to make an impulse entry right here, right now, it would look something like this, okay? Which I'm willing to do, but market's already oversold, right? If we go to the 30 minute, 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily candle. How does the daily candle look like? Like this definitely has the possibility to like print more to the downside down here, because we have the support here to the left. But like I said, everything's pretty oversold at this moment. If you were to make this trade, it would be kind of, not kind of, it would be very risky, right? Um, Price could make a bigger movement to this zone here. Geez, guys, this would be a very sketch trade, eh? But like I said, you can't have risk without reward. Um, so this definitely would be an impulse entry because we have clean traffic. Yeah, right. So then we just might enter here, and then price comes to here, we put everything to break even. So this would be how many pip stop loss? Should be about 50, 50, 60. Now it would be 60. So that means, you know what, guys, I'm gonna take this trade. I'm gonna take it. Fuck it, I'm gonna take it. Let's go to USD. So you guys can enter if you are watching. Um, I will be entering this trade. So it's a 60, so that means I do the right. Okay, on a 5 minute. And I'm in. Okay, stop loss is at 5. But I will be putting the stop loss a bit higher. Probably put it to 38600. Right, that's my stop loss. So I'll just save that. Okay, so currently I am in two trades. Two trades would be GBP CAD and then GBP USD for a sell. Right, but we have a lot of possible support to the downside. So let's go on to the 15 minute. Price currently right here, so I can see it moving down to this, right? because we have this clean traffic, but price might find support here or here. This is very choppy, so it would be cool if we could have clean traffic all the time, right? But that also said, like you have to take risks in trading. If you don't learn. Right? You need to learn how the market moves. If this trade stops out, then then I would learn like, okay, cool. So there was choppy support to the left, right? So now I tell myself like in the future when you have choppy support to the left, uh, in a with certain structure like this, maybe you can take the trade, but instead of risking 1%, risk 0.5%. Um, so yeah, but I'm risking 1% on this trade, and this is a 2 to 1 R&R, right? Um, what's the yeah? It's a 2 to 1. Just we'll leave it at that. Okay, so then GJ, I don't know. GJ might push up. See, I'm not interested in any trades right now. Like price did find support here, right? At this line. Then this would be sells from here until here would be sells. So I would make an impulse entry as soon as price breaks this. That said as well, I would make I would take buys. This would be buy zones. Obviously impulse entries um, in this zone right here. So break above this zone, I buy until here, right? Because this is a resistance price hasn't tested yet. Okay, let's go on to GBP AUD. That's printing up nicely. But the reason why I didn't take the straight resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and look at the risk reward, it's like a 1.7. GBP USD is not that great as well. It's uh, I think it's a 2. Sorry guys, I'm very tired. Um, but yeah, I took GBP CAD because like check the risk reward here, and I was holding another position for a scalp. I only allow myself to take 3 trades per day. So I'm already in 2 trades. So now I'm gonna look for the most probable most profitable trade, or the trade with the highest probability of getting TP. GP NZD actually moving quite nicely at this moment. If this moves like this, right? So I'm expecting bearish movement in NZD pairs and AUD pairs at the moment. Why I'm not really checking this right now. I would probably look for sells in this region here. But price did make a bullish engulfing on the 4 hour. We'll see if it does like this. We have 30 minutes of this candle left. So yeah. And the GB USD just pushed into profit. Let me show you quickly. Uh, there we go. Right. So, but that means GBP CAD. Yo. Okay. That's chill. That's chill. Or we have half an hour left. On this 1 hour candle. So we'll see how it closes in half an hour. I might, if it closes bearish like this, I might just like downscale my position size, right? While it's still at break even. So okay, let's see what the next candle does. Because we are at support here. I'm not putting to break even yet, but I will be taking 30% of my position. Um, yeah, I'm quickly gonna take 30% of my position out for profit because we are at support. Not putting out break even yet. I'll just wait for the next candle to close, and that's in about 14 minutes. Oh wait, yeah, I'm not gonna take anything out now. I'm just gonna wait. Um, I'm just gonna wait 4 or 5 minutes more. So we'll see if price pushes into this zone here, and I'll just set an alert. Once price pushes into the zone, I'll be notified, and then once price comes here, I'll take 50% of my position and then move to break even. So we'll let this do its thing, right? Um, just managing my trades here quickly. GBCAT is more of a swing trade. This GBP USD is alright. This is definitely a scalp. So yeah, it did push until here, reacting with that line now. So we'll see if it can actually make it downwards. But I imagine it's pretty oversold right now on the higher time frames and on the smaller time frames. But we'll see what happens. So we did go through these pairs, JPY, not anything for me right now. Like I said, very choppy market. Euro USD. Right, Euro USD could also be impulse sells in this range right here. Okay, but I am already in HBB USD sell, so we'll see what happens. I'll just mark this and then I'll come back to it. Let's just wait for that 1 hour candle to close. Let's see GBP, Agera GBP. Like this market's way too choppy. I'm not gonna even look at that. Exact same thing here. Euro CAD market's too choppy. It's just ranging. You could technically trade the range, but like see what price does it. Doesn't have clean range, right? Comes back down lower sometimes. Sometimes it finds higher support. Finds higher support. Comes back down to lower support again. So you never know where to really put your stop loss, right? So yeah, I will not be trading Euro CAD. Euro CHF, exactly the same thing. Price at the moment is in this daily downwards channel. This could possibly be a bullish flag. We might expect price to move past this 50 moving average, this resistance, this trend line. But once I see price breaking past this trend line, I will be starting looking for buys. Once I see a clean rejection of the support zone and this trend line, and profits going up here and stop loss going down here, right? Euro AUD, looks like everything's bullish against AUD and NZD at the moment. We have this fat daily bullish candle right there, right? But I will not be trading Euro AUD as this the chopper. I will be waiting for price to clearly break above these resistance zones here, as we have a lot of resistance, and Euro AUD price movement is quite choppy, and stop losses get nicked out a lot on this pair. I was contemplating about removing Euro AUD and Euro NZD as we have these huge candles, right? Like eating stop losses. Like you can see the wicks on these candles. Got stopped out 2 times on Euro NZD. So yeah, my profitability factors on Euro AUD and Euro NZD is just not that great, right? So that's an opportunity for me to remove this. Let's go. This doesn't make sense. Okay, anyways, okay, so we'll see. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade this as well because we have this choppy, right? It bounced multiple times on this resistance here. So I don't know if it will have that momentum to actually push to the downside, right? USD CHF. This was a sell idea I had. That's still actually going, but it looks like it might get stopped out. Actually, 50% profit here would have been the smart thing to do. Down here at the support here. You can see that big pink fill there. So Well, that would have been the smart idea. Okay, so we had USD CHF. Let's quickly check GBP USD. Okay, GB cat first. Okay, that's still looking nice. Let's go to GBP. All right, man. So we have the candle pushing to the downside. Looks decent. Looks decent. All right. Okay, so when price hits this line, I will be taking 50% and then putting stop losses at break even. All right. And there the alert goes. So then we hit OK. So now we wait for price to hit this. Okay, let's quickly check the traffic to the left. Uh, yeah, so price is currently at this zone right here. So high probability that it's gonna hit this. Um, question I need to ask myself now is, now that it is halfway, right, do I take 50% of my position, put the rest at break even, or do I wait for price to come back here? Right. So I will. This is where you have to really manage your risk, right? So yeah, let's wait for price to come back to the zone here. And then once it comes back down here, stop losses will be put it to break even, and then we'll let the rest right out. Okay. So we were at USD CHF. Let's go to USD JPY. Uh, I don't really see anything here right now. No clean support or resistance. Just a lot of noise at the moment. You might say this is in a channel, right? Which it probably is, right? This is in a channel. So we could expect this to be a bullish flag, and then you might see it ride. I don't even know anymore. Like this is, look at these weeks, man. No, I will not be trading this. I'll just wait for it to pull back a bit lower. It's way too choppy. Use the CAD. Damn, alright. Now we're talking. So we have resistance here. Alright. Let's go to the 1 hour. Did find support here. Oh, it's probably gonna find resistance here as well. Alright. So let's move that up like that. So I'll probably wait for price to break past the strength line and this resistance for me to actually assess if price will move to the upside. This will probably not happen today, probably tomorrow in the early mornings. Let's check, we have USD news today at 2. So I don't know, this news might just influence this, and maybe, this is bullish news that comes out, and then we might see price moving to the upside. GBP, it's just that GBP trade sitting in my head right now. Actually, let's quickly check that trade. GBP cat still looks like, yeah, we can wait that close. Going on to the 15-minute here on GBP USD, just quickly on my meta trader. Right. Still looks good. Still looks good. Let's move my stop loss down a bit. Yeah, we'll get that notification. It's pretty oversold on the 15-minute right now. So I'll wait for the next 5-minute candle to print. We'll see what happens. If it makes a bullish candle on the 5-minute, if it closes bullish, then I will take 50%. And put the rest to break even. If it comes to break even, right, comes back to entry, then at least we made a pretty small profit, but it's still profit, right? At the end of the day, we still managed our risk and we made some profit. Um, so yeah, CAD, CHF is in this upwards movement, made higher highs, higher lows, right? Higher highs, higher lows. So we'll see if this is just going to be another higher low, right? If price can reject the zone right here, we have the 50 moving average, the support, and the strength line. So it might just hit this and then just start flying up to support up here. So my TP will probably be up here where this week starts. But for now, I will not have this on my watch list. Actually, I will be putting it on my watch list. So let's see what happens. Let's check here. USD quickly. Still hasn't uh, broken this range yet. So we'll see what happens there. Catch CHF, catch JPY. Right. We are having downwards movement, but we have support up here, right? Yeah, I'll just mark the support as well. And use that line. So what I would do here is this, or what I will be waiting for. I probably will do this if it sets up. Yeah, so I'll be doing this. Right, if I was going to check this or this line, I will be going long, taking profit there. Right, so I'll be marking that. So then I have a more profitable trade, a more higher probability trade. Then catch HF, so I'll be marking catch HF and marking catch APY. Okay. CHF, like we had this daily trend line, price rejected that trend line, made a double top, right? But it has not retested that resistance, so we might see price moving to the upside, making a week, and then just start flying to the downside, and I will probably take profit here if I would enter this. So I don't know, man. Like, this is the thing with these pairs. You have to be very careful. If I were to enter this now, right, it will look like this. And this is a 2.2. So will I enter this? I don't know. Uh, let's check the. Oh, okay, guys, we just got a alert. My ears almost burst, maybe. All right, let's go on to the 15-minute. Well, would you look at that, guys? All right, boys, I will be taking 50% profit. Come on, hit that line, man. Just really wanted to hit that line. Okay. All right. The stride is now break even. 50% profit was taken. Right. Okay, the stride now is free. And let's just mark this. Where do I put this? Okay, now let's do this. Let's make a call out. Okay, so yeah, 50%. 50% of position taken out here and rest put to break even. Alrighty. Okay, so guys, this is at break even. Please put your stop loss to break even if you are watching this. Just mark this here. This is going to be break even risk free trade. Okay. So price might just find support here right now and just fly to the upside where entry is. But hey man, at the end of the day we still make profit, right? Okay, JPY still looking fresh as fuck. That 1 hour candle actually pulled that little wick we saw here forming. So yeah, that's That's reassuring. So let's go to what we were at CHHFY, right? I was contemplating entering this because of this resistance here. Yeah, so I wanted to check oversold market conditions. Okay, let's just put a actually when price. Just want to put a uh, verification here. When price hits TP, I'm very sure price will hit TP because look at this bearish candle on the 1 hour. Damn. So we're gonna have to be very careful watching this next 1 hour candle. Right. Next 1 hour candle opens in 13 minutes. So this 1 hour candle can just fly to the downside. That would be great. Uh, the next one. So uh, it will probably like we'll see what happens. Right. I can predict and tell you where it will go, but we are never sure. All right, their price goes. Damn. Okay, so we it looks like this in this last 13 minutes price will print a candle to the downside. Uh, Actually cool that we caught this candle printing to the downside. This is why higher time frame and lower time frame analysis is very important. Like I said, price might find support here, but we already took out 50% of the position. And then if entry gets hit at stop loss entry, if that gets hit, that's fine. We'll come back for another scalp tomorrow, and then uh, we can make some another bucks. GJ, I don't know. This is oversold as well, right? So for me to now make an impulse entry here and then TP and take profit here, that's too risky for me because look at how oversold this RSI is, right? And in the past when RSI was this oversold, right, price just moved to the upside. This looks okay. We don't have any divergence here. And I'll check GBP USD, right? Like this is oversold, very oversold. I'll check what it's doing now. So we'll see what happens. Very close to TP, but I'm not gonna take P here. I'm gonna be take TP here. I'm gonna be patient. Like look at that RSI. So that's why I said putting a stop loss here once price comes back here and taking 50% of the position. But all right, I'm just gonna leave this trade. Let it do its thing. Let's see, HFJPY contemplating entering this. Will this be my fair trade? I do not know. I do not know. Right. For enter here now, this would be a very light entry, would be a 1.74. So I'll probably wait for price to, let's go, just go on the 15 minute. Actually already retested there. But we have this little support here. So we might see price coming back to the zone. So I'll mark CHF and wait for it to come back up. Wait for a rejection and then I'll go for a short, but for now, not anything to my interest. AUD USD. One thing I've learned about AUD USD loves that deeper pullbacks. Now, when I talk about love that deeper pullbacks, I'm like, it really does love that deeper pullbacks, man. So, it's pretty oversold as well. Uh, this is this is bearish market movement, but I will maybe be looking for a buy running from here until here. Scalping AUD USD is not a good idea because of these huge wicks it leaves. But I'll mark AUD USD for possible buy until here, then taking profit probably up here because this might just make a double top, right, and then move to the downside. So we'll see what price does. AUD JPY. See now, GBP USD, I'm watching this thing, right? It just printed a huge bullish 5 minute candle. Look, a very big 5 minute bullish candle. It actually engulfed the previous bearish candle. But we'll wait for that 15 minute to close. We actually still have 9 minutes left on that 15 minute candle. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, price already already checked it here. We have actually what we have here. We have the support. Oh, I'm just gonna be reusing this line. But so I already JPY as well. Just might reject and then my DP would be up here. Already oversold. Looks like small divergence here, so yeah, it's pretty risky, pretty risky. So I'll just wait for tomorrow because on Monday's markets still trying to find a way like where I want to go. So we'll see. Research if not interested in this at all. IDK not interested at all. Uh, let's see. Just took out the other position I had on last week. ID NZD. Nah, man, I don't like this. Is I don't even know what the hell this is. NZD USD. Like it looks like this pair is just made those bullish runs just to find resistance. Now we might see breaking and then coming back down to this one. Yeah, NZD JPY. I'll just come back to that now. So on this page we might look for sells. Probably wait for uh price to come back here and then look for sell, then take TP down here somewhere. NZD JPY, exactly the same thing. I'll wait for price to come to this, right? And then I'll look for sells to the downside. Taking TP here, here, or here. Just need to take some water because I've been talking to you lot so much. My throat's dry as hell, man. Okay, so NZD not really anything on NZD right? I'm not gonna trade this. Like choppy markets, I really don't like choppy markets. NZD CAD did break past the trend line, but now does not have enough momentum to actually use that opportunity to fly to the upside. So yeah, I will not be trading that. Is easier. Oh, did take a trade down here, but then just wait for price to actually break past this, and then I'll start looking for buys again. Gold, gold. What in the fucking hell is gold even? Got stopped out here, but then price made a deeper fib retracement. Got that trade, so yeah, pretty alright day there. All these lines, I know there are a lot of lines, but I all have uses. Just gonna remove that, and then this range here, and then gonna remove that. So we'll see what the hell gold does, but yeah, I'm not trading gold at the moment. Silver, yeah, man, like this pace of really choppy at the moment. Not trading this. US 100, Nasdaq. Actually, not trading Nasdaq at the moment. I'm a bit out of sync with Nasdaq and US 30 and SPX 500, so yeah, I'll take a few days away from this Forex pairs and just focus on these indices right here, right, coming back into the vibe again. Probably take a month or two to get back into that vibe. When trading cryptos, I like clean market movement, right? Like this support here, and then okay, it actually didn't come back to that deeper support. Um, Nothing here for me right now. Yeah, as well we have divergence, so it might surprise actually coming back to this here. Then Ripple, no, nothing for me right there. So okay, let's go back to the mark pairs. NGD, USD. I will be waiting for price to come back up there for a sell. IDUSD might just wait for price to hit that support, take top profit here. Maybe then again look for sells once it comes back down here, as these pairs are very uh, very bearish at the moment. CHF JPY, I will be coming back to that just as I will be checking the other pairs. Catch up, we will be coming back to that. Euro USD. Let's see, Euro USD. Uh, okay, let's check GJ quickly. See, now it is actually moving to the downside. We use the. Look at that. What did I tell you? What did I tell you guys? Oh, that's just moving crazy. Right. I would be very pissed if this comes back to break even and then goes to the downside. That's cool with me. If that happens, it happens. Like I told you guys, we already have our profits taken out here, and we still have a GBP cat running, right? Still have a GBP cat running, and that this this is going pretty decent at the moment. Um, Looks to be made a very bullish candle. Also taking profit there. So yeah, let's check GBP USD. What happens to that trade? I will be, if GBP USD closes, I will be ending the live, sadly. But yeah, at least I hope you guys uh, got some great value out of this session. Uh, Quickly go to GBP USD again. Oh, we'll wait for that next 1 hour candle. Yeah, like I said, let's go to GJ. GJ is usually my thing. I usually trade GJ, not GU. Like trading that. Oh man. Okay, let's just mark this trade, right? Let's see what happens if we were to take this trade. And yeah, so 1.28. That's not. No, I'm not even marked that. That's not worthwhile. Because I'm telling you, GJ is gonna react. Yeah, definite fucking lead, right? So just mark that. So it's definitely gonna react here, right? So for me taking this trade now, that's just not gonna do that. But if GJ is moving like that, right? Very good chance that we might see that TP being hit like like now, like now. Oh, oh guys, this is gonna get hit. This is gonna get hit. Come on, man. Look at that bearish engulfing. Come on, just do it. Do it. Do it, man. Just hit the TP. I'm checking my meta trail right now. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering why the hell do I look up all the time, I have a screen up here. I'm on the Discord groups, and then uh, yeah, actually, I'll just send a teaser of what we just take. The care on the live stream, right? So uh, just taking that. What's up, guys? We are live here. We already took 50% of our position out here, and then rest of the position is at break even on my MT4. So yeah, guys, we are live on YouTube. Why haven't you taken this? We also have a GBP cat running, and that's currently running on the MT. Okay, so let's make another one for the Insta. Uh, Yeah, guys. So let's hope this thing can hit the TV. No, it's all about hope. Now it looks like it's retracing to support, right? Support up here. So we'll see. We currently are at break even, and we also have a GBP cat running. Make sure to join. Yeah, guys, we are currently live, as you can see, broadcasting on YouTube live, right? We already took 50% of our position out here, and then we currently are at break even, and we also have the GBP cat running. Make sure to join. Yeah, guys, we are currently live, as you can see, broadcasting on YouTube live, right? Come on, man. Ah, I have the notification shit. Let's go to Euro USD. Oh, GJ is retracing up, right? So my idea is that we might find the entry right here. We might find the entry going down here. It's probably look like this. So if price can manage to reject, I really want price to come up here, right? Because we have this resistance to the left. But that's a bit sketch, man. That's a bit sketch. I don't know. Uh, okay. Checking my live quickly. Uh, let's check G side. Let's check catch FY. What do you afford? Is it now that? We already took 50% of our position out here, and then we currently are at break even, and we also have the GBP cap running. Make sure to join. See now prices. Oh, that looks way better. I can actually see my face. Hi. Hey, gotcha, bitch. Okay, let's wait for price. Come on. Jeez, man. What a fucking thing. Okay, right. We have a notification set on videos or videos on reels, on like Instagram reel videos. So I found myself watching like a lot of Instagram reel videos recently, like a lot. Um, because like TikTok, like you have these cringy ass people on TikTok. Like you watch it and you bite down your teeth like, damn man, that's fucking cringy, right? So on the reels, it's like cool stuff, man. It depends on what you like. Me personally, I don't like TikTok very much. I just use TikTok to upload content for you guys. So yeah. Again, down uploading a video to TikTok for you guys. Yep. Okay. Oh, please shut the fuck up. Okay, we have GJ's making very strong push to the upside. Oh, that means GU. Uh huh. What in the hell, man? Yeah, this is gonna go down. Like, come on. Well, it looks like it's might just be filling that in that week out. Oh, this is so frustrating. Having price that close to your TP and then it just decides to now hit your break even. Like, oh man, that's trading, man. GB cat, yeah, still doing its thing. Just have to be very careful with this resistance here. We can actually hold that here. So it might find support here if it comes back down. It looks like that 20 is going across at 50 for more upside bullish momentum. Mm. Uh, oh wow. What in the hell is happening here? GBB cat just went, yeah. Huh. Alright. Uh, yeah, I'll wait for the next 1 hour candle. I was just contemplating because I have two positions running, so I split my positions into 0.5, 0.5%. Reason why is if I see like a lot of bearish momentum of GBP CAD, I'll exit the other position, right? And then just to manage my risk. Um, Now, right, if GJ finds support here, my bias just might flip to bullish to a buy until like this zone here. So this would be TP1 and this would be TP2. Why do I say that? Because we still have this resistance up here. We still haven't retested. Where's this now? Yeah, this resistance up here. You can clearly see price has not made a wick into this zone yet. And a lot of the times price comes back down here, makes divergence, hits this resistance here and then just flies to the downside, right? Um, yeah, we'll see like GU making a nice little wick. If this 15-minute candle can close like that, we might have a good chance of hitting TP. So let's hope for the best. It is diverging here, so let's hope it makes another lower low into the zone, man. Oh, I don't know, guys. If I with this divergence, right? I'm contemplating taking out all my position, like the whole lot out right now, right? Because we are that close to TP. Well, if the next 5-minute candle looks bullish, okay, we'll just see. It's very close to that TP. We'll see. We'll wait another 10 minutes or so for it to actually go down. Uh, my Discord, how the hell do you upload a... Oh man. No, I want my camera. I want my camera. Thank you. Yo, we're already going almost an hour into the live. Uh, guys, if you like me going live, right? Um, like make sure to leave a like or leave a comment or subscribe. What I can do better next time, what I can do more. If I can provide more value or content for you guys, just let me know. I'm pretty open to new ideas. Uh, so yeah, let me know. Don't be shy. GJ, where's Catch everywhere? Ah, looks to be. Yo, look at CHF everywhere, man. Damn. Yeah, I was hesitant about this little support here. But it, I don't know. Like, it might check that. Now we'll see what it does. KJPY, other hand. Oh, actually, it would be. It's not gonna look at this really. It is a Monday, so we'll see what the market does, man. See now, look at that candle. Why is that candle doing that? Yeah, guys, let's not GBP cat, right? Look at if this candle closes like that. I might contemplate taking out the whole bloody position because check this. Boom. It's in that fib zone, right? Coming down there. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let's go to the 4 hour. This new 4 hour candle is opening. Reason why I took this trade is it isn't that range. Right, so I'm trading the range going to the upside. Uh, yeah, I think I'm gonna close that one position. If price closes bullish right on a 1 hour, then I'll probably add another one. Uh, but for now, nothing, nothing yet. Still in profit for today, right? Even closing this, uh, some of this position. Uh, like look at it's probably oversold on the 15 minute, right? I don't usually do this, but I really want to see price move. I'm just gonna go on the 1 minute. What are you doing? Fly to the downside. We have divergence here. So moving out there, higher, 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 low, higher, low, higher, low, lower, low, 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 low. Price found support here. Listen, guys. Okay, because I'm really tired and I really want to go shopping. And just like do my thing for the day. I will be taking out uh, I will be exiting right here, right now. Right? I'm taking out everything. I'm doing it now. Okay. I'm just gonna go on my phone because I have all the software open. The reason why I'm taking this out is, yeah, I just said, but don't do this. Alright, if you want to keep this position running, right, that's great, man, because we are at break even, right? So don't go be doing this, like, just set and forget. I am damn as tired. The stream has been running for an hour, so yeah, that's me done, man. Um, so I'll definitely come back tomorrow. GBP cat, like I already managed this. I'm just gonna leave it now. Already took out 0.5% of the position. So yeah, if it hits stop loss, it's gonna be like 0.5%. That's basically nothing. I make 3% on a good trade. So yeah, I will be taking out this. I will be taking this out here. You guys can leave the TP right down there. It is at break even, so it's at a split trade. So even if it hits stop loss, then you still made money for the day, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna take my profit. I already took my profit, so I'm gonna use that money and go buy myself a McD's hamburger. Alright, guys, if you like the stream, like the content, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what I can do next for you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I appreciate you guys. See, now price is moving, right? But yeah, I'll check you next time, guys. Now, where do I enter this trade? First time using